come on, don't be scared to answer questions. It's not like you're going to be wrong all of the time, right? Oh, by the way, side question. What standard are these students in?
We
And of
did
course, being wrong is anyway how you learn. Anybody? Oh, okay. Yeah, you have a mic.
in the
Sure.
in the rectangular coordinate system we denote the x coordinate by using unit vector, just which is I cap.
Yes, okay, that's a good start, I guess. But what I was more saying was, how do we get the 2 in specific? And of course, as he said, this can be denoted like this, but that's not going to apply to n dimensions. So instead, what we write this as is Vx. But here's the problem. Eventually, at some point, we're going to run out of letters. There are only 26 of them. So just use Greek letters. But there were only 24 of those. So just use Hebrew letters or something. But there were only 30 of those. At some point, we need to generalize it. So what's the only thing that doesn't run out? Numbers. So since the x component is the first component, we're going to denote it instead as V sub 1. You can sit down. Thank you.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
You are using a lot. You are using numbers a lot, but I don't know the actual meaning of actual definition of numbers. Can you please?
Okay, got it. So we have this vector 2, 5, which we are going to define in the coordinate plane. Of course, 2 is just going to be the x component right over here. And 5 is going to be the y component. Oh, by the way, side question. What standard are these students in? Oh, okay. Alright, sure. So, we have this vector right here, which goes 2 in the x direction and 5 in the y direction, right? So, then, if we want to access the x direction, we just have this component right over here, Vx. And here's what we're going to do, actually. Instead of using letters, which we all know run out super quickly, instead, we're going to use numbers. So, x is the first component. X is the first coordinate, so we're going to call it 1. And y is the second coordinate, so we're going to call it 2. So, Vx becomes V1, and Vy becomes V2. This is just so we can generalize it past the second and third dimension.